If there's anything that I want you to take away from this, it is looking at your house, your home, your house, where you dwell, as not separate from you. It is a reflection of you. It is partnered with you. The energy that is in your space is aligned and connected to the energy that is within. Like you were saying, as above, so below. As within, so without. Nothing exists on this planet that is not connected to anything else. And so, having said that, I'm Danni Sinclair.
Hi, Danni.
I am a holistic interior designer, and I look at the energetics as well as the aesthetics in order to help you bring more peace into both your home and your body. All those little signals that we get, that we suppress, that we don't tune into, those are showing up and revealing themselves in our homes as well. So in this workshop today, I'm going to give you more insight into what those signals are, and when they show up, what does that mean? What are the emotional ties to that? What are the spiritual ties to that? What are the things that might be showing up in our bodies that are informing us that we have something more going on below the surface, the invisible blocks? We're going to start off with the intention. Just like everything that we have done today, having a goal, having an intention. If you think about it, do you have an intention for your home? Have you even thought about it to that degree of awareness? Or when you're bringing things into your home, are you just bringing things into your home because they look good, they feel good? It's something that you saw on TikTok or Pinterest or what have you, without really connecting to the intention and the energy that that is bringing into your space. I think for most of us, we get an urge, right? Like you're just saying, you know you want to do something different. You know that you want to shift things in your house. You're ready to start decluttering, to bring something in. You don't know what exactly it is that you want to do. That is the moment that you pause and don't go straight into solution mode. That's when you pause and get curious with yourself and ask, what is it that I'm trying to shift? What is the energy that I'm trying to bring into my space? What is the energy that is connecting me to that person who I want to become? Because a lot of times we feel there's heaviness or there's tension or there's disconnection or something. Something's not right. A lot of people come to me and it's like they want to paint, because it takes up a big surface area of your space, and you think that if you just change the colors of your walls, it's going to make you feel better. But before you even go into choosing colors, the first thing I want you to ask yourself is, who are you becoming? And really get aware of what it is that you're calling in for yourself. Instead of heading over to Pinterest, I've seen it time and time again with clients all the time. They will call me after they made a big purchase, a sofa or a bedroom set, and they spent thousands of dollars on it and it don't fit, or it's like it's too heavy, it don't feel right. And it's like, I wish you would have called me before you made this, because it don't work. It's gotta go. Sorry you spent all that money, but you're gonna have to put it on offer up now, because it doesn't, you didn't really get in tune with what it is that you wanted to change about your space. You just went straight into action mode without bringing in the awareness and the decisions about how are you going to make these changes? How are you going to bring in the energy that you're calling into, both within your space and within your body? The first step is, what is that goal that you set in the beginning of this day, and how is that going to align you with who you are becoming? Who am I becoming right now? What is the energy that I am calling in? What is the next chapter? What am I looking to do? Because we're not designing our homes around who we are today, we want to call in new energy, fresh energy for the long term, the 5 to 10 year goals. How is it going to support that energy that you haven't called in yet? It's going to set the foundation of who you are becoming. You know, that future version of yourself that you want to be, like, visualize who that is and what they need within their homes. Because anytime that you are shopping or seeking, I want you to come back to this statement so that you can consider, does this item that I'm bringing into my space align with who I am becoming? Or is this who I am now and I'm trying to outgrow it? Or is this just something trendy that I see everybody else having, so I think I should have it?